Dear students, today we are going to discuss the RAST method for the determination of molar mass of a solute, that is molecular weight of a solute. So, molecular weight of a particular solute can be determined by this method. In this method, camphor is taken as a solvent. Though camphor is solid, but in this case it will act as a solvent and it is taken in larger proportion as compared to solute, and this is the solute whose molecular weight is to be determined, and the mixture which is formed between the solvent and solute is 1:10 proportion. Camphor is taken in 10 parts and solute is taken in 1 part. But before that, first melting point of pure camphor is taken, and suppose that is T standard. This can also be referred to as the freezing point. So melting point determination is the first step. Then the solute whose molecular weight is to be determined is mixed with the camphor. Camphor is taken in larger proportion, 1:10 parts, and then that mixture is liquefied to get homogeneous solution, and this solution is then solidified and its melting point is determined. This is called as the mixed melting point of solute and solvent. Let the melting point of mixture is T. Naturally this T will be smaller than T standard because of depression in freezing point, and that depression in freezing point is denoted by delta TF given by T standard minus T. Let small w is weight of the solute and capital W is the weight of camphor taken. Then molecular weight of solute small m is given by the formula m equal to Kb into small w upon delta Tf into W. These are thus molar mass or molecular weight of solute can be determined by the formula Kb into W upon delta Tf into W. These all terms are known to us. Small w is the weight of solute, capital W is the weight of solvent, that is camphor. Delta Tf we have just determined by experimental procedure, delta Tf equal to T standard minus T, and Kb is the molar depression constant. So by knowing all these terms, we can calculate the molar mass or molecular weight of a solute by RAST method.